Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we are playing Plants vs. Zombies. Yeah, I know, I've been posting this video, or this game, a lot, and I know that some of you might want to see some new content. But I mean, to be honest, this is pretty fun. We are gonna be trying to unlock the melon pult, because it's pretty good, I guess. I tried it out once, and, I mean, it's not the best, but it's okay. But I did get some new stuff from my Zen garden. I did get my lightning reed Snapdragon. Alright. How you guys been doing? Me, I mean, I've been okay, I guess. I need the iceberg lattice because of your power up. I will, for one of the things, what's it called again? Battles. For battles, I have been, I'm in third place, so I will get 60 gems, which would get me to about, close enough to 100. It'd be 88, but that means I would only need 12 more. I will need 12 more to 100, and I do want to get, where is it? Another upgrade is available. Well, one of the ones I want to get is the electric pea shooter, but that costs $5. Oh, here we go. The fire pea shooter. Or maybe the lava guava. Or the homing thistle. Either way. This is the Wild West. So, see, no jumpers, though. Still, though, we need to be prepared. See, would chili bean be good in this? I don't think so. Let's see. Also, I have been doing a lot of off-camera playing. Just cause, like, I want to speed this up a little bit. But just enough to keep it interesting. I guess I'll go with Colonel Bolt. I mean, why not? Alright, plant. There we go. This has some of the best music in the entire game. I will speed things up a bit. See where's my first zombies. Over here. I have been trying to get some, I have been trying to get some pea shooter, seed package so I could upgrade it. But, so far, it's okay, I guess. Oh, alright. One more stun should do it. That way I have, you again. Everybody phrase. Alright, so that was that, I guess. What I will do is something tactical. As soon as that guy releases his chickens, I'm gonna freeze him. Freeze. Alright. See, you here. You need your power up. Freeze. Alright, freeze everybody. The piano man's here. Where is he? Okay. Where's the piano guy? Let me see where he is. Oh, there you are. Stop. Please, stop. We don't want to hear your music, whatever you call it. But, ooh, power up, don't mind me. get some more lightning reads. And everybody's dead. Oh, this is final wave. Let's see. You again. Oh, this is final wave. Okay. Just to make some stuff more interesting. Oh, that was it? Wow. Oh, there's a bucket head. Oh no. Piano Man's dead. Don't think that's too good. But what I do need is some more of this stuff, so I'm going to just waste it. Alright. Yay. Just planted stuff for no reason, because I feel like it. But, I might be doing some more, Balloon Super Monkey 2 videos. You guys know me if you've watched my other PvZ 2 videos, which I do recommend. You guys know me that I do like my challenges. Spend no more than 500 sun. What? Okay. Alright. What does that mean? Gain no more than 500 sun? Oh no. Why would you do this to me? I do not like this challenge. Wait, I want to try something. What if I unplant something? Oh no, I just messed up. Okay, this is gonna be a bit challenging. Spending no more than... let's go. Wait, that's not even enough for... Bruh, that's not even enough for an entire row. 400? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you expect me? There's no plant that only uses 50 sun. Fighting plant that uses 500 sun. I mean, 50 sun. Ooh, I just got smart, which is something that's not very often. Oh. Okay, I just got this. So I will explain it to you guys in a little bit. You guys will see what I'm gonna do. I just thought of something. Why not just use this minecart? I could pick a pea shooter. Watch, I'll show you guys. So, I don't know if I'm supposed to do it like this, but so like this, that way so I can move it to everywhere. Alright, just hurry up and kill that one. Alright, what's that? Okay. This is not too good, but okay, so that guy's gonna be frozen for a little bit. Till then though, oh no, I'm gonna need some sun. Oh, I could use this, but then I only have 25 sun left. I mean, I guess this was pretty smart, but I didn't really think of sun consumption, I don't know, something. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, okay, this is bad. This is like really bad. Okay, this is good so far. Okay, yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, that's not what I thought was gonna happen, but I can't spend any more sun. This is bad. Okay, final wave at least. So I'm gonna save up my plant food for this. That way I can spend on it twice. And yep, my master plan worked. Wow, that was actually easier than I thought it would be. That'd be, oh, now I see why that was the challenge. Cause I could only spend 25 more sun, which I think I could have spent like on a potato mine. But alright, spend no more than 500 sun. So what? Just went on sale. That was an okay challenge, I guess. Pretty sneaky. Plant the bloomerang to begin. Okay. Speed things up again. So far, I mean, I know it just started, but okay. That's a good thing. I got my bloomerang to get level 2. Alright. Bam. Bam. The good thing about the lightning read is that it does damage transfer, so like it can go to one zombie to another. Oh. Okay, guess I need you there. You there. I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure, but pretty sure that a bloomerang can take down a bucket head, I'm not a bucket, a cone head by itself, because it shoots twice as fast, yeah. So, or like it goes and then it returns. Okay, you're okay for so far. Yep. Oh, but conehead. Actually, I think we're fine. Wait. Where's the conehead? Okay, I guess we're okay. I'm just gonna put it right here. See how things go. Oh, I guess I should just move stuff around. Okay, looks like those lightning reeds are putting in some work. Okay. Put you there. Really hope I electrocute them fast enough. Alright. See, I need you there. Okay. Come on, faithful. Electrocute. Yes, barely. Uh-oh, buckethead. I need you there to cover for that buckethead. Oh no. Oh yes, energy transferring. Alright, you're good so far. Uh-oh. Come on, I need everybody to kill everything faster. Yay. Let's see. Put you here. One more wave till final wave. Alright. You guys know me that I always have a tactical strategy. And most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, they're good. But I do have so much, like, it's a bucket, it's a metal bucket. How does that not electrocute him even more? Uh-oh. Oh no, this is a bad, so, barely. See, I'll just put you there. No, there. Oh yeah, I still have some more clouds to use. Not anymore, apparently. But I'm still going strong. I need more lightning reeds so that in case if there's like another bucket head, which I believe that there's gonna be another one. Yep. Yeah, so one more lightning reed should kill a buckethead. Oh gosh, there's two. I'm gonna need to use some money on this. Just to kill the buckethead. Yay, 325 sun. That's a pretty costly plant. Survive the zombie attacks. Yay. Unlock melon pulp. Pinata. What are you gonna give me? More melon pulp upgrades. 2 lightning reeds. Yay. Alright, that's it. See anything from world? Tall no. 6 levels. I don't really want to get repeater right now. Let's just see what the next level is. I hope it's like a challenger type of like mini game. It's not. There's a bull, which I don't want to fight right now, because I know how tough those things are to fight. See where the next mini game is, or wait, what? Walnut first aid. Oh yeah, I know this one. Okay, so level 16. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 more levels. I'll play some bases. Actually, no, not right now. Next video. Let's see. Oh, I think I need to go to my Zen garden because I did use one plant. Marigold. Okay. Let's see what we could do. I think I'm gonna go to Jurassic Marsh and actually try to beat it. What happened last time was I didn't have enough plants and sun. But now that I have a lot of plants. So yeah, I've already read the dialogue. Just need to use what I used last time. Except for you. I'm gonna use so much money this game. I mean, yeah. On this, stinking level. Alright, here we go. Where's that plant? So what I plan on doing is spending about 6,000 coins on this one game. Just for plant food. And I'm only gonna use the plant food on the sunflowers. Because that's how difficult this is. Like, I don't always want to be constantly keep on spending 1,000 each level, so. Just need pea shooter to recharge. Come on, recharge faster. Already a cone head. Okay, looks like we're gonna be spending so much sun on this. This isn't good. Alright, damage transfers. Go. I have to constantly keep on using this for sun. Alright. So I need it for this side because things are going too well. Alright, solid defenses. Need some more defenses where that, oh, actually, I need more defense everywhere. It's just where I came prepared with some money. Oops, that was wrong. It was supposed to go for this. We're gonna spend some more money on this. Okay, see how well we can handle this. I'm gonna need some more plants there. Another plant right there. It just so happens to have just enough for, primal pea shooter. Oh god, looks like I'm gonna have to spend a lot more than 6,000 coins. Actually, no. I think I got this, sort of. I don't got this. See, mess with me, I dare you. See what happens. Okay, almost got this. Speed it up. Come on. Got this. Got this. Yes! Beat it. Finally. Finally. Yes. I spent so much money that game. Please be this my screen's cracked, so Epoch is unknown for its unusual. No, this Epoch is known for its unusual life forms. User day. I know. Gymnosperms, right? I was thinking more in terms of saurians. Oh no. They won't attack us directly and we can't affect them. However, they will definitely react to zombies. Be wary. What? So what? Do I need perfume shroom for this? But why not you? So basically just use what I used last time. Except I'm gonna be spending so much money again because of this. Come on. You there. Speed this up a bit. You. Wow, they're already starting off with the cone head. Next defense, where? Okay, uh-oh. Dinosaur. No! Don't! No, don't! Don't do this to me! Dinosaurs! Don't! Don't do this to me, dinosaurs! Why on earth would you do that, dinosaurs? Thought we were friends. Okay, just so happens there is a couple of zombies that we could kill. Just don't know how much though. How many? Oh no, this is bad. So much money is being spent on this. Like, the amount of money I'm spending on this world specifically is, like, unbelievable. Like, seriously. My God. Spending so much money. Okay. I think they should do it for this. This could be end of the video. Yeah, been recording for quite some time. But I lagged. Why? Lag? No lag. Alright, there we go. Oh my God, I spent so much money on this. Just eat my plants. Just eat my plants, please. Yeah, eat it. Just eat my plants, please. My God, this was so hard. Spent so much money on this. Well, at least I spent less than last time. Let's see what's next. Uh-oh. I don't know what these guys do, so I'm gonna just plant them. Oh! That was a bad idea. Sort of. Okay, that's pretty neat. Wish I would have known that. Okay. Alright, I need to restart because I didn't know what that plant did. So, yeah. I'm glad that this is a mini game because otherwise I would have been spending a lot more money on this. Alright, I need to save up. There we go. Now, just need another. Wait till they come. Yay. Uh-oh. And dead. Come on. You guys should be dead. Oh no. Oh, come on. Come on. Yes. I could have had more of a bigger impact, but who cares? Oh no. Come on. Plants. Oh my gosh. Alright. This is not going good. Guys, I need help. Help me, please. Don't go into the dinosaur, don't. Oh my god. Oh, I need plants. There we go. I needed you. That's what I needed. I need you. Alright. I need that berry guy. Yeah, here we go. Yes. Yes, this is looking up so far. Final wave, too. Alright. Wait till everybody just comes. That's when we'll get this started. Yes. Oh no. Alright, I spent less. That's good. Oh. Looks like some more money is going down. Okay, at least I earned some coins. Oh my god, I should have been grinding. Alright, this better be a challenge. Come on. Nope. Bye. I had 26k. More than 26k by the start of this video. What happened to it? Wow, I spent so much money. Neon mixtape tour, no. I'm on the video here. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all your support. See you guys in the next video. Bye.